We'll guide you through how to edit videos in DaVinci Resolve, making your footage look professional and polished. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open DaVinci Resolve on your desktop. Once you're there, start a new project by clicking on the New Project button, enter a name for your project, and hit Create. Now, you're in the main interface. Go to the Media tab at the bottom to import your video files. You can do this by dragging and dropping them into the media pool or clicking on File and then Import. Once your media is imported, switch to the Edit tab, where you'll see your timeline. Drag your video clips from the media pool down to the timeline. Here, you can CUT, cheer to IM, and arrange your clips. To cut a clip, select the Blade tool or press B on your keyboard, click where you want to cut, and then switch back to the Selection tool by pressing A. You can delete unwanted parts by selecting them and pressing Delete. For transitions, go to the Effects libraries on the left, find Video Transitions, and drag your desired transition between two clips on the timeline. To add text, go to the Effects libraries again, click on Titles, drag a text title onto the timeline, and adjust its settings in the inspector on the right. Color grading is also essential, so switch to the Color tab. Here, you can adjust the color balance, contrast, and saturation using the color wheels and other tools. If you want to add music or sound effects, go to the Fairlight tab, import your audio files, and align them with your video clips. Finally, when you're happy with your edit, go to the Deliver tab to export your video. Choose your desired export settings and hit Add to Render Queue, then click Start Render to export your video. And that's how you edit videos in DaVinci Resolve. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.